In this video, I will show you how you can configure your team members app and your configurations app. Like you can save your team members more than one in the team members app, and you can configure your configuration app. Like let me show you the team members app. So there is a already created four team members, one with admin title. So these are job titles: Scriptress, Realtors, Pullcoms, admins. So these are according to the acquisitions app. If you go into the acquisitions app, yeah, so there is a field for the task. So you can add task for final callback. Like these are the for callbacks. So this is for the pull comps. Then you click on pull comps. So it will goes to the team members app, and it will goes to the pull comps this lead, and it get this member. So you can change these members according to the job titles, but do not change them because it search these lead according to this title pull comps. So you can change members from here. So again, go to the app. So same as the realtor, if you have realtor, if you don't have realtor, you can leave it, but don't change it. For script trace, again for script trace, so it will assign a task for script trace. Like there is a lead that needs to be script trace. So the your script trace guy, like that have in your team members app, it will get a notification and it will come in the port acquisition app, and it updates the script contact number according to if their updated contact number. Okay, so in the team members app, you can change them. Like when you get the system, you get yourself in all members, but you can change them like skip trace, like realtor, pull comps, and admin. So admin will be you. Okay, so for so in the same in the acquisition in the configurations app, if I go to configurations, there is one lead. Please don't delete this one because it's used in the backend for assigning the leads for appointments and the acquisition. Like when a acquisition lead is created, it automatically add a acquisition manager according to the configurations app. Okay, so you can see in the configuration app, if we go down, so there are some member roles, like who is responsible for the seller leads app. These are the relationship with the team members. So you can add your team members there. Who is responsible for prospect, who is responsible for offer, for disposition, for appointments. So you set your like admin or your acquisition. So you can also add more team members if you want. You can also add more team members like your acquisition. Like you you can add more, but don't delete these ones. Okay, so you can add who is responsible for the seller lead. So when a seller lead is created in the acquisition app, it automatically attach this team member as the acquisition manager in the acquisition app. Same for the appointments. When an appointment is created in the appointment app, these team members automatically attach as appointment manager in the appointment app. Okay, so let me show you a test. So when we come in the acquisition app, let me save a new lead, just a test lead. Seller first name test. Seller phone 123 123 123. Property address 123 Main Street. Okay. So let's save the lead. Okay, so acquisition manager admin. You can see updated the acquisition manager when we close this lead and open again. So you can see acquisition manager is automatically updated the your admin that have you set up in the configurations app. So same for the appointments. So let me set a test for the appointment. So there is appointment time. You can set the appointment time, like whatever the time, select it, and after selecting the time, just click on schedule. When you click on schedule, it will create a appointment in the appointments app. You can see it's also reference this way to the appointments. So when we go in the appointments app, So there is same as admin one. You can change the team members according to your appointments manager. When we go in the appointments app, so there should be a lead for the task lead that we have created in the acquisition app. You can see which lead is a test, and it's the who's attending. Like your appointment manager will be the same team member that have in the configurations app that you have set up role for the appointment. Okay, you can see. So in that way you can save your like your you can manage role according to the team members. You can also add more than one team member in the team members app. You can set up the configurations, the role team member roles in the configurations app. If you have any question, you can ask me. Thank you.